guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a ceiling and insert lighting into it. I'm going to do things a bit differently. I'm going to make this a two-part video. The first part is going to be just for those who want to learn how to create a ceiling and install lighting in it, while the second part will show you how to adjust the parameters of the lighting, which is usually done through a rendering mode. So we'll go ahead and get started with part one right now. Create a basic box using your walls, so WA on your keyboard. I'm going to make this a little bit wider than I normally would, just so that it makes it easier to show later on in the rendering. So create your basic box. That'll be your 3D. Nice and simple. Go back to your level 1 plan. Designate all the walls as a top constraint as a level 2, just so that we don't have extremely high ceilings, again keeping in mind that it'll be easier to show it in renderings later. Go ahead and hit apply. The building is now shorter, which is what we want. Go back to your level 1. From level 1 you're going to want to create your ceiling plan, so go up here, ceiling. I always prefer to sketch my ceilings, that's just how I am. I'm going to use my pick lines tool and select the inside face of each of these 4 walls. Then I'm going to make sure that my ceiling, the one that I would like to select, is selected. This one works fine. Go ahead and click the check mark. We should have a ceiling by now. Yes. So Revit automatically sets it up so that it's 8 feet tall. I'm going to do a 9-foot ceiling here, just because you'll see that it goes up 1 foot. Now, to set up a ceiling, or the lighting inside the ceiling plan, you're going to want to do it from your ceiling plans. So go to ceiling plans, level 1, and you'll see that that's what your ceiling plan looks like. These are the acoustic tiles that you set up as your ceiling. That's a default in Revit as well. Now to set up your lighting, you are going to go from ceiling plans, level 1, component, place your component, load a family, and then under lighting, go to architectural, internal, and then really any light you'd like. Since we're working on the ceiling plan, I'm just going to stick to one of these. Ceiling light, linear box, hit open, and then you can place these really at random. If you hit spacebar, sometimes it'll change the direction. In this case, we can only change it through hitting the rotate button at the top, which is fine, not a big deal. So if you go to level 1, hit your camera view up here, and then just do a camera from the corner, you'll see your lighting installed. That's the fundamentals of it, nice and simple. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in the area below. Thank you.